Thank you very much for joining on time. Can I request you all to please type your name and your kid's age so it will be much easier for me. In the chat, can we all just introduce ourselves with our names and our kids' age and number of kids you have? So we will wait for little time, 3-4 minutes for the people to join. We have Renu, we have Priya, Deepika, Kanchan, Tanvi, and Minal.
How to make
Hi, Simi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Good to see you.
Thank you so much. Your name is Poonam Sethi, is it?
Poonam Mehra. Poonam Seth Mehra.
Poonam Sethi Mehra. Okay. I'm very curious regarding your workshop, okay?
Okay, great. The last session you were there, I suppose.
Last session I was there
But
for
for a
only 5. Last session I was there only for 5 minutes.
Yeah. Let me play a nice song for you all till the time people are joining. Is it okay?
Yes. I will mute myself.
Yeah. No problem.
I am the sun with a burning eye, dawning a new age here and now. We sensei, we rise anew, we rise anew. You and I together, invincible forever. It's now or never, invincible forever. You and I together, invincible forever. It's now or never, invincible forever. The world waits for the light of hope, radiant light and strength to cope. I travel ahead, I hear the cries, to drive the world that's filled with pride. I carry on through every storm, till hearts are healed and hearts are strong. I turn the winters into spring, united as one, the world will sing. You and I together. down or never, invincible forever. You and I together, invincible forever. It's now or never, invincible forever. A longer march has now begun. We'll be the change we'll be the one. Through the land our voice will ring. United as one, the world will sing. I am the sun burning round. You're in the age here and now. We sensate, we rise anew. We rise anew. You and I together, invincible forever. It's now or never, invincible forever. You and I together, invincible forever. It's now or never, invincible forever.
Yeah, hi. So let's start. Can I know the age of your kids? Here is one Renu, 7 years child. Meenal has 14 years and 11 years. And Kanchan, her daughter is 8 years. It would be better if we could. So we have all mothers here, right? Am I audible to you all? Yeah, Renu says yes. What about others? Moksha, Kanchan, Tanvi, Sandhya, Simi. Am I audible? Okay, great. So basically, what are the challenges we are facing with the kids? Can I know some of the challenges you all are facing with your kids? Sandhya says stubborn. Okay. All right. Others, please. See, you all are here to know that what is that I'm going to tell you all, right? Right? Spending more time with gadgets, very common problems. Yeah. To raise warrior kids, learn to raise warrior kids, right? So, distraction and lack of interest in studies, all right. Kenton says, okay, children are stubborn, spending more time with gadgets, distraction and lack of interest in studies. Okay. All right. So my one question to you all parents here. These are the challenges we are facing. Now, what are the challenges kids facing? These are the challenges we are facing with our kids. Now, let us churn our brain and think that what challenges are kids facing with us. Let us be true. Let us be open-hearted. This is a platform where you are free to discuss. And I'm going to give you the remedies. And I'm going to give you the solution. Okay, not socializing. Okay, children are overprotective. Who's being overprotective, the kid or you, Renu? Who's being overprotective? Parents are overprotective. Yes. So that is the challenge the kids face, right?
Poonam, if I
Yeah.
can talk, I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
somewhere in the name of
Yeah, please.
somewhere in the name somewhere in the name of being concerned, being making them, instead of enabling them, I think we are somewhere overprotecting them and taking away all that freedom and expressive things which we were given the freedom of, maybe because of their safety. There are so many things that we keep hearing day in, day out. So I guess somewhere we are becoming very overprotective,
Okay.
and we're
This
not
is
enabling them and their creativity in exploring things.
so
That is what
so
I feel. I'm not sure.
so that's so genuine confession, Renu. That's such a genuine confession, right? Being a parent, it is very respectable for parents to confess. So then they give a room for improvement. It's very important in the 21st century, and with the kids, when we are dealing with Z and alpha generation, millennial generations, it is very, very important to have a great bond and healthy relation with the kid, right?
Absolutely.
Because the challenges what we as kids faced are not the same with this generation.
Yeah.
This generation is facing altogether different kind of challenges, and what challenges our parents faced, we are not facing the same.
Yeah.
It is the law of universe, change is constant, the law of impermanence. Everything which is living, it is sure that it is going to perish.
Yeah, and maybe the other reason is also because we live in a very nuclear setup. Previously it's not like we lived in a team and we knew our neighbors, we knew who lived in the entire road or the lane where we stayed. But now, even if I'm living in a apartment, I don't know who my neighbors are. People don't
Correct.
want to talk to each other. So where is the liberty that your kid would have to explore himself or herself?
Yes, yes. So, because of, see, what I tell parents is, it is very important to understand why are we facing these challenges. We are facing these challenges because, see, if you go two generations back, the parenting word did not exist at all.
Absolutely.
Nobody knew what is parenting, right? It was just the natural instinct. Okay, maybe there were joint families, older experienced people were there, all those lots of things. Let us not go into deep. There is this is to understand, not to debate anything, right? This is not a debate ground. So it is very important to understand a lot of scientific researches happen, and a lot of R&D is still happening, right? So the natural instinct is missing. What is that natural instinct? What was that? See, so many parents who never even went to school, their kids. So let's take the example of Albert Einstein. Let's take the example of Mahatma Gandhi, Dhirubhai Ambani. Let's take any XYZ legend example. What was what was what was that thing which the parent knew, which we don't know as a parent? Right? It is very, very important to understand. Every human being is born with that natural instinct to nurture. And what is the first thing a child learns right from within the womb of a mother? What is that first thing that the child learns? The child learns to be a parent. First thing the life learns is to be a parent. Right? I don't say, it is the scientific research says, right? So that natural instinct to nurture, which was there 2 generations ago, nobody taught the mothers to nurture the kids. Nobody taught, right? But it was natural, which is being missing because of law modernization around her, because of invasion of schools around her, because of the tech era and everything, because of the females started to, become professionals. So a lot of things. So I myself have come into, I myself have faced so many challenges. Let me introduce myself in a very brief to you all. You all know my name is Poonam Mehra, and you have got nothing to do what I am, because world doesn't care who you are. It is what am I going to add value to your life. So you all are here with me with your precious time, and I thank you for it, for being present here in this evening time, which is your family time. It shows that you are really concerned. And I am a mother of 2 young boys, and I'm a single parent. Why this word warrior I use? Many parents, they ask me, why do you use that word warrior? I, amidst a lot of challenges, being a single parent, starting my life from scratch. So a lot of things I was also running here and there to learn how to parent, how to tackle the challenges I am facing as a parent with my 2 boys, the teenagers, the youngsters, the toddlers. But I attended so many seminars, I read so many books, I spent money like water on this. And touch wood, I implemented, I got very good mentors. And for past 12 years I have a mentor who's guiding me, and I am really blindly following him. And in this 21st century, touch wood, I am a proud mother of 2 young handsome boys who are on their way to settling their lives now. Elder one is moved to Canada, and younger one is a writer, author, director. So he just launched his book in the last month on, You Never Know, by Kushraj on Amazon. So when this, I have been parenting parents for last 12 years approximately, and I have dealt with thousands of parents. In lockdown, I decided to go online and make my knowledge, my whatever I know available to the parents, so they get benefited. So allow me to share my screen. I will share my presentation. You'll just go through and understand what is it. Why do now, like how our parents here have written, the child does not want to socialize, the child spends more time with gadgets, the children are stubborn, because they are, what are the children facing challenges, these things, not able to go down room. So major challenges are the parents facing, and these kids are also facing, but somewhere or the other parents are trying to complement it with something others. And parents, they want best for their kids. And especially in 21st century, I, along with my mentor, we salute parents, because especially to mothers, because they are slogging day in day out, whether working professionals or non-working professionals. It's really a task managing work and home, work from home, work at home, kids and everything. It's really a credible job parents are doing in this lockdown, or even before lockdown. So I would just share my screen and show you what are the reason, what are the causes for it that happens. 1 minute, allow me to check. I'll just share my screen. Is my screen visible? Yeah? Is it visible to you all?
No.
Not visible?
No.
Okay, wait. I'll just wait. Is it visible now?
Is it visible now?
Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah? Okay. So this, many parents, they keep asking me that why do I use this word warrior? Why do I use this warrior? Warrior doesn't mean that one has to go on the border to fight, or in air force, or in navy. No, warriors are those are soldiers and fighters. So and everywhere, not only you have to be fighter, just not on the LOC or LAC, or in the air or in the water. The fighters have to be in daily life. Daily life. What I have been seeing, and we all have been seeing, the number of suicides happening, youngsters committing suicides, the professionals committing suicides, a number of crimes going on, number of rapes going on now. So it really hurts, isn't it? Doesn't it hurt us? It does hurt us. So what is the root cause? Does hanging to death to the culprit is the solution? Is this punishment stopping crime, lessening it in any way? We all know it's not. It's not. Even if people are criminals, are put behind the bars for the whole life, or they are hung to death, or they are beheaded, has ever the crime stopped? You can chat, you can put your views in the chat box. Just yes or no. Itna हमने, are you all comfortable with English or Hindi or mix? How do I go about? Simi is comfortable with English. What about others?
Both.
ठीक है. So English both. Okay. So what is it happening? That why ये जो हम punishment देते हैं, is it stopping the crime? Yes or no? No. So it is not stopping crime in any ways. In fact, the crimes are going on increasing day by day. Youngsters committing suicide. So many kids commit suicide because they don't meet up to the criteria of their percentage in their board exams. Right? Because उनके इतने percentage नहीं आते हैं, मम्मी पापा गुस्सा हो जाएंगे, n number of reasons they commit suicide. So what is that change? What is that change that the society needs? The change at the root cause. Today, in fact, me and my mom and we three were discussing about our family, my life. And, my mom came up with, she should have done this, she should have done that. Then, then I said, okay, the education we are giving to our kids, right? Academic qualification is preparing the child to earn, to be professionally settled and earn living. But the life education is making a person complete human being. So that life education is missing somewhere or the other. The person is not able to take the failure as strongly as the child should. So these incidences are happening. बच्चे का बोर्ड एग्जाम में मार्क्स नहीं आया, सुइसाइड कर लिया. फेलियर हैंडल करना हमने नहीं सिखाया उसको. कहीं ना कहीं we lagged. That we did not teach. We only focused upon the win. If this is the criteria, this is the parameter to win. 90%, for example, is the parameter for you to be a winner. This is what we are instilling in our kids' head. Not all, but generally common. So kids are not being prepared to handle the failure, the defeat. Unless and until we work upon here on this criteria, school academics is important, but life lessons are also very important to be taught to kids from the very young age. For that, we parents need to master this skill to be able to pass it on to our kids. Hence, I chose this word as warrior. Raise your kids to be warrior. They are by default genius. Every child is a genius by default. Every child is extreme intelligent by default. Every child is cute, loving by default. Every child, every human being knows how to live life by default. अरे जानवर को नहीं सिखाना पड़ता कि जिंदगी कैसे जीनी है, चिड़िया को नहीं, बच्चों को, पक्षी के बच्चों को नहीं सिखाना पड़ता कि कैसे उड़ना है, वो खुद जानते हैं. ऐसे ही इंसान के बच्चों को नहीं सिखाना पड़ता कि जिंदगी कैसे जीनी पड़ती है. They know it. What is there? Because we need to respect that life. And we need to instill the life lessons into them. They will undoubtedly excel in their career. Undoubtedly. That is the art that needs to be mastered by all the parents. Right? So that's the reason I chose this word warrior. Raise warriors, not the cowards. Raise warriors. अगर आप शुरू से warriors raise करोगे ना, तो आपको उनको fear killing, anxiety killing, leadership, public speaking, nothing. People ask me, so many things are available outside to be taught to kids. But this is one thing when we instill right from the beginning. Believe me, I can give you guarantee that the child will excel in whatever field he chose. Why can I say this so confidently? Because I have seen, I have done it with my kids. I have been, guided many parents. Those who have implemented have succeeded. There is no, it's just, you need to raise warrior kids, no matter what. If I as a single parent, I as a lady who had to start from scratch, who had to take care of the family, studies, finances, the sole breadwinner of the family, and young kids, lot of things. Who are their friends? Are they getting indulged into the wrong activity? Smoking, drinking, that. So many questions in your mind arise. So many questions. When I as a single parent can do it, and if you too, it will be fun. Believe me, it will be just fun raising warrior kids. It's altogether different life story. My child excelled, topped in his school, topped in his college. But he shifted from science to arts. He was into international board. He was into percentile. He had no one to stop him going to Stanford University. But he chose to be into arts. And I really respected him. I really respected his decision, and I supported him to succeed. And he is there. At such young age, he is an author. He's an author. So if I can do it, you can definitely do it. There is no difference between you and me. We all are the same. All human beings are same, have same potential. Have same potential. I don't say this. This is the law of the universe expounded by Shakyamuni Buddha 2,500 years back, that every life is respect worthy. Every life has the same potential, which is as vast as the universe. I don't say this is what is the law of universe. It is from the time without beginning, and it will be always there on the earth. And this is the only law of universe. Let me move ahead with my second slide. Let us see now. Now we understood why warriors. Let us understand some of the common mistakes that parents commit unintentionally. Unintentionally, they commit such mistakes. Right? What are these common mistakes? I have picked up 3 mistakes. Okay. Kids lack experience, logic, choice. Many parents, as rightly Renu ne abhi thodi der pehle bola tha, that we are overprotective for our kids. We don't want wrong to happen to our kids. That's very, very difficult, very correct. And I'm going to narrate a very small story on this to you all. Kids have no logic, choice. कपड़े खरीदना है तो बच्चों को हमें बताना पड़ेगा ना. They are kids, they don't know where to spend, what to do, what not to do. We don't know. They don't know. They are kids. We need to, which is very natural for any parent, which is very natural for any parent. But what damages is it causing? We have to understand this also, right? Second point is kids are their authority. हम जो बोलेंगे वही बच्चे ने करना है, क्योंकि मेरा बच्चा है, मुझे उसे वही करना पड़ेगा जो मैंने बोला है, because I know this is good for him. We must give voices to our kids as parents. This is the authority. Or the third point what I have picked up is my kid should be the best. Many parents they come, many have come till date. Now there is, it is grading system. Earlier it was percentage system. So ma'am, see my kid has scored between 85 and 90 in all the subject except one. इसमें ये 70 कैसे ले आया? I am very confident. My child about, I am very confident. He just cannot. It is a teacher's fault. It is a teacher's fault. Now recently, one of my student Priyanka, she came up. She was so upset just last week. Her son is 6 years old and she lives in South Africa. She came to me. She said, "Ma'am, Teeth has scored A and A plus in all the subjects. Only one subject he scored B, and I'm so upset. What to do? How to do? I don't know. I cannot handle it. How can he score? I know my kid. He is capable. It's teacher's fault. Teacher has ignored it. Teacher has ignored it." So, what we as a parent, we are wanting best. We want our child to be best in everything. That nothing wrong in thinking that, and nothing wrong working hard towards it. It's right. It's every parent's right. But what are we doing in such? We are focusing upon the area which is, according to us, is little failure. And because of that one area, we are at what cost? We are focusing on that area at the cost of 5 other strong areas. बच्चा बाकी के 5 सब्जेक्ट में अच्छा है, बट वो एक में कम लाया है, तो सारा फोकस, सारी एनर्जी, सारी स्ट्रेंथ, सारा टाइम उसमें ही लगाए. And slowly what is happening? Those strong areas, strong subjects, the child is slowly coming down, because the child is always hearing that you scored B in this, you have to work hard in it. You scored B. So what is the mindset slowly happening of kid? B. He's constantly listening, constantly. Law of focus says what you focus upon expands. Right? So what are you reinforcing in your child? What you reinforcing, it increases. Slowly the child starts to get B in one more subject. Then slowly 3rd subject. Then slowly 4th subject. And parents are confused. ये हो क्या रहा है बच्चे के साथ? This is what is very, very important. Now let's see what are the consequences of these parents' mistakes. So these are the main mistakes I picked up, and these are the main mistakes parents make. Now, what does these mistakes? What is the impact of these mistakes on kids? Let us see. Antisocial behavior. Now, when the child is under such pressure of marks, of result, of all many other things also side by side, about health, about happiness, lots of things. So what is child becoming? Child is becoming slowly antisocial, because child is somewhere feeling shameful inside, and child is thinking, I am not good, I am not up to the mark, because somewhere or the other he is being compared with his peers or his cousins or his family or his neighbors, whosoever he or she is playing with. So slowly the child starts saying, no, I don't want to play. I don't want to mingle with the friends. No, mama, I don't want to talk. And by the time the child turns teenage, whenever you are willing to go, now it's locked down, so things are different. No, child is reluctant. I will not go to any social gatherings, you all go. And what we parents are thinking at the side, why does the child want to go? What does he want to do sitting at home alone? वो जासूसी चालू हो जाती है हमारे दिमाग में हर पेरेंट के, which is but obvious, natural है, nothing wrong. But nothing wrong कह के हम छूट नहीं सकते हैं. We need to go into the depth of it, understand it, correct it, master it. After all, it is a life we are dealing with. We are not dealing with any material product. And we take this very leniently in India, especially very leniently. There is whole lot of statistics which says the three main important areas of successful career, happiness and health. The India is the only country where 51% parents have chosen successful career for their kid, right? And if we talk of Asian countries, in Asian small countries, there is very less percentage of parents, maybe in 20s and 30s, those who are choosing successful career for their kids. Rather in the most advanced countries, the 10 most advanced countries, the parents choosing happiness over their successful career are more than 78%. It is a very serious issue in our India. 49% parents are choosing happiness for their kids, and in that happiness there are other criteria also that I will discuss in my program. It is a long thing. When I take up my program on the 5th day, I discuss all these statistics with respect to kids. I have not done it. R&D of the country in the world says, right? So child becomes antisocial, then child develops poor resilience. उसको नहीं बदलना है child को. उसने बोल दिया नहीं जाना है मुझे आपके साथ पार्टी में, तो नहीं जाना है. No matter how much you shout, the child becomes deaf. No matter how much you shout, खेलना बंद कर बेटा, पढ़ ले, खाना खा ले. Now let us say it, the child is non-resilient. उसने जो डिसाइड कर लिया है नहीं होगा तो नहीं होगा चेंज. This is what is the impact. Depression. The kids go under depression. The parents go under depression. They are not able to understand what to do, what not to do. Aggression to the extent of destruction. Aggression to the extent of destruction होता है. ये तोड़. I have seen. It is sad, but I see it. I meet parents who tell them मेरे बच्चे ने लैपटॉप पटक के तोड़ दिया. You may not believe. मेरे बच्चे ने फोन खिड़की से बाहर फेंक दिया उछाल के. You may not believe. Aggression किस लेवल तक जाता है. Then they lose empathy. उनको किसी से empathy नहीं रह जाती है. इतने लेवल पे आने के बाद empathy नहीं तो there is no relationship. They don't. And this is the reason why in India now the kids are the youngsters. Most youngsters are not getting married, preferring living in relationships, not producing kids. So if we are seeing this, what are we wanting our kids? We need to decide now. Looking at now our kids are young. 8 साल का है, 10 साल का है, 14 साल का है. Now see the 10 years down the line, what was the world 10 years ago and what is the world today? 10 years ago इतना social media नहीं था अबे. So 10 years आज के बाद 2030 का world अगर आप देखो, so it's gonna be totally different for our kids. Totally different. 10 साल पहले जो इंजीनियर बने आज उनके पास जॉब नहीं है. What are we preparing our kids to be? What are we thinking as a parent? Where are we investing our time, energy and money? It is investment. Lakhs and lakhs of rupees we are investing on our kids' education. The time which cannot be measured in money, the energy which cannot be measured in money. No money can buy these two things. We are spending. So it has to be wisely invested, not spent. Invested. So this art has to be mastered. बहुत डराते थे तब भी लोग मुझे, योर किड्स आर नॉट MBA, दे आर गुड फॉर नथिंग, और आज भी यही है, आज भी यही है. एंड बिलीव मी guys, you all are present here, both my kids are not MBA. They decided 5 years back, Mom, I'm not going to run into the rat race, I'm not going to do MBA. I asked them, give me the reason why. So my child came up with the 10 R&D करने का एक दिन का टाइम दिया उसको मैंने. He came up with 10 profiles of the topmost people in the world who were not MBA. And what he told me, Mama, I don't want to do MBA because I want to be them. These 10, you are seeing, Mama, 10 profiles. These are the topmost people in the world today, and none of them are MBA. If I do MBA, throughout life, I will be working as slave. JOB, job कर रहा हूँगा, just over broke. 83% job people in India are dissatisfied with their job, so they suffer depression and regression. This the data analytics says. I don't say. Data analytics says this, right? So he said, I don't want to get into all these things. I said, okay, I believe you. You are capable. You will rock. Just move ahead. And he is in Canada, doing very good without loan. Maybe seemingly very impossible. आप लोग को हो सकता है लग रहा होगा. So this is what our mission is, making impossible possible. This is, what do? I read so many books given by my mentor. I read this book by my mentor, Making Impossible Possible. And I lived my life, right? I read Human Revolution given by my mentor. I blindly follow my mentor because I want to lead a happy, successful life, me and my kids. So let's see. So these are the consequences, and I know that no parent want to suffer, either themselves or their kids, these consequences. So what is the solution? What is the solution? You all give me the solution. I'll give you later. Just you can unmute and talk, or you just type. Is it to just let the life run the way it is running, or to master the art? To not to make this mistakes so that my kids do not suffer. I have to share my PPT more. So what is the solution? Either we are we making our mind to keep on suffering the way it is going on, we can't help it, दुनिया ऐसी है, or we want to conquer and become warriors. What would you want to do? What would you want to do? If you get a hack, if you get a secret, then what would you do? Yeah, you can just type, Simi. How to speak to our kids need to be mastered, right? So what if I give you a secret of it? How many would you like to go for it, right? Anybody would want to go for it. There is a secret formula. You can get your kids to listen to you and cooperate with you. Because of so many situations, so many, warrior is best named. Yeah, Simi, that's what I've been telling. Yeah. That's what I've been telling. That learn to be warrior and create warriors. Undefeated parents. Undefeated, ever victorious. See, winning is very important in life. Winning is important. But what is more important? To have the spirit to be undefeated. When you have the spirit to be undefeated, you are definitely going to win. I'll tell you a story. A child was running on the tracks. Okay. This child was participating in 100 meters race along with 10 other children. And this child fell, and he hurt his feet. Right? And others may have developed some sympathy for him, but his competitors were happy that he fell down. He was a very good runner in his school. He fell down, and from the crowd a voice came, "Come on, my child, get up and run." The child gathered all the courage. He started to run again, but again fell down. Doesn't matter. Again a voice came from the crowd, "Come on, my child, get up and run." He started to run. Because he was hurt, he was not able to run, but again he fell the third time. Again the same voice came, "Come on, my child, get up and run." The child ran again, and he was the last to complete the race. And when he completed the race, the whole crowd gave a standing ovation to that child. You know why? The child who got first place, second place, third place, उनको सबको सिर्फ trophy मिली, being the winner. But this child got standing ovation from thousands of people watching the race. You know why? Because his father was supporting him throughout the race. "Come on, my child, doesn't matter. Go, finish the race. Finish the race." He got standing ovation because he finished the race. The child who finished the race is definitely won. उसने इतनी अनडिफीटेड के बाद भी, इतनी बार फेलियर होने के बाद भी उस बच्चे ने रेस कंप्लीट किया. This is the message we as a parent should engrave in our hearts. अगर बच्चे का थोड़ा सा परसेंटेज कम हो जाता है, यार क्या प्रॉब्लम है? मैंने तो मेरे बच्चों को ड्रॉप दिया था 1 साल के लिए, because I did not have money to pay their fees. ड्रॉप ले लो ना, 1 साल ही जा रहा है, जिंदगी नहीं जा रही. 1 साल तुम्हारी जिंदगी से बड़ा नहीं है. And but make sure that what value are you adding in this year sitting at home, that I make sure, no matter what. Understand? So if I give you a hack secret, so will you go for it? I have designed 5-day WhatsApp boot camp for the parents to learn in these 5 days how to raise warrior kids. On the day 1, first and foremost thing which is required, anxiety. Calm your anxiety forever. Parents are anxious. मेरा बच्चा ये नहीं कर रहा, मेरा बच्चा वो नहीं कर रहा, ये नहीं वो नहीं. So first point, first day you learn how to calm your anxiety forever. The second day you learn strengthen bond, develop win-win trust between you and your child. आप अपने और बच्चे के बीच में win-win trust बनाओ. You know parents, the world, we are stressed because the world outside offers stress for free. और जो फ्री में होता है, हम इंसानों की आदत है बटोर लो जितना बटोर सकते हैं. It's human nature. So in this world where stress is freely available outside in the world, where this world offers devil friends, readily. You go out, your devil friends are immensely available in the world outside. So in this world today, your job as a parent to become the best friend of your child before your child encounters the devil friend outside. Become your kid's best friend. क्या आप बिलीव कर सकते हो कि कोई टीनेजर लड़का अपनी माँ को आके बोले कि मम्मा एक लड़की मिली थी मुझे और हमारा दोनों का ऐसा ऐसा आज हुआ. Or I think all ladies are here, right? I think we all are females here, right? No matter what, even males are there, no matter. We kissed, we hugged, we watched a movie, and I like that girl. मेरे बेटे ने बोला मुझे आकर. That bond. And today also I've created that bond. Even forget, I don't have a daughter, but the boys, I've created such bond that they do not hide anything with me. They come and tell me. My elder son brought his girlfriend at home. I rejected. He went to and he said, yes, Mama, how could, in 10 seconds I met her and I told her this girl is not good for you. Then he dropped her and came back. How did you notice? I said, because in college also everybody says this girl is a flirt. He just take advantages of the boys and he's like that. But I did not believe anyone. Mama, how could you know? So what creation of bond with your children at young age is very, very important. And it takes a lot of effort and it takes mastery. It cannot be done overnight. Nothing can be achieved overnight. Nothing can be achieved. Third day is growth through independence. अभी पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं ठीक है हमने इंडिपेंडेंट कर दिया अपने बच्चे को, ग्रो हो जाएगा. ये तो ऐसा ही हुआ, उसके कंधे पे बंदूक रख दी और दाग दी, टक 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 टक. आजकल पेरेंट्स बहुत स्मार्ट है, मुझे मिलते हैं. पता है क्या बोलते हैं? बोलते नहीं, मैंने तो अपने बच्चे को बोल दिया, उसको जो करना है करे. एक तो एक्सट्रीमिटीज इधर हो गई कि भाई नहीं पढ़ना ही, इतने मार्क्स लाने हैं. जब करियर की बात आती है तो वो बच्चा जो है 13, 14, 15 साल का 8th स्टैंडर्ड 9th स्टैंडर्ड में पेरेंट्स क्या करते, भाई तू चूज कर ले. उस बच्चे को नहीं पता है, उस बच्चे को आपका डिसीजन नहीं चाहिए, उस बच्चे को आपका सपोर्ट चाहिए पेरेंट्स का. बिकॉज किड्स लुक अप टू द पेरेंट्स. It is today what is happening, it is the verbal exchange between parent and children which has no strength. The what strength what is important is energy exchange with your child. एक हफ्ते तक एक माँ बोल रही है बच्चे को, सोच रही है तू तो कुछ भी एक चीज गलत कर दी तो वो पूरा पास्ट में चले गए, हम तो ऐसा नहीं करते थे, हमारे जमाने में तो ऐसा नहीं होता था, ये नहीं होता था, वो नहीं होता था, एंड दिस दैट सो मेनी थिंग्स. द चाइल्ड इज कंफ्यूज्ड, यार मैंने ऐसा क्या कर दिया है. फॉर एग्जांपल द चाइल्ड केम एंड टोल्ड मम्मा यू नो टुडे वी बंक्ड क्लास एंड वी वेंट आउट, एंजॉयड. बच्चा आ रहा है, याद है आपको जब बच्चे छोटे हुआ करते थे किंडरगार्टन में, वो सब आकर बोलते थे खुशी खुशी मम्मा ये आज हमने ये किया, आज हमने वो किया, आज हमने वो किया. एंड वी यूज्ड टू टेक इट सो sportingly, right? When start children growing up, children are into that habit. वो थोड़ा बड़ा हो गया बच्चा, 11-12 साल का हो गया, 6th 7th में हो गया, बच्चों ने प्लान बनाया, स्कूल से जल्दी भाग गए या whatsoever पहले होता था. And they went for a movie, they watched movie, they did not tell you, and all of a sudden the child is coming and saying to the mother, there is no acceptance. गुस्सा हो गई माँ. तो what will the child do next time? वो सोचेगा बताना है कि नहीं बताने का. हम सोचेंगे बच्चे ने करना बंद कर दिया, बच्चे ने करना बंद नहीं किया है, बताना बंद कर दिया है. You know, it is very important to understand, and it is very important to understand what is growth through independence. Independence क्या है वो मास्टर करना जरूरी है, so that neither we suffer as parents nor our kids suffer as parents. Then the 4th day, happy family, go from strive to thrive. When you do these 3 things, you go from strive to thrive. This is the basics I give in the 5-day WhatsApp boot camp, and in my next level you all master. And the 5th day I take a live session I take, where I have designed a program for 21 days which helps you create zero conflict in your family, in your relations, whether it is an extended family, whether it is with your spouse, with your kid, and whether whomsoever it is. Go from to just have zero conflict, peaceful, happy, harmonious family. This is the 5th day designed live WhatsApp class I take. So it is very, very important because families are the basic unit of life. You know, everybody घर से कोई काम पे जाता है तो फैमिली से जाता है, वापस आता है सारी दुनिया से जंग लड़के तो फैमिली में आता है, चाहे वो स्पाउस हो, चाहे वो आपका बच्चा हो, वो स्कूल जा रहा है, जंग लड़ रहा है वहां पे, वहां से वापस आ रहा है. और अगर फैमिली में ही हार्मनी नहीं होती है तो द लाइफ बिकम्स हेल. Life just becomes hell. I know that you all agree with me, right? So this is what basic what I have created. It's just I give 4 videos on 4 days, no time consuming. You can watch videos at per your convenient time and report. It is an action based training which I give, and you have to be accountable. Report your task in the group, WhatsApp group, and be accountable. It's not just जैसे हम सेमिनार अटेंड करते ज्ञान दिया वापस घर आए, क्या इम्प्लीमेंट करना है, क्या सीखा था, कुछ पता नहीं. It is through video, so I make sure that you take action on this. Otherwise, I fine you all, and or person who completes the task, I reward them also. So at any age, भले हम पेरेंट्स बन गए हैं, हमें भी जीतना अच्छा लगता है, हमें भी रिवॉर्ड मिले अच्छा लगता है, हमें भी पनिशमेंट मिले अच्छा लगेगा. So we will relate to our kids more. It's all about accountability. It's about taking action. I believe in taking action. I believe in walking along with your path, taking you, being the torch bearer. आपको दिखाऊं ऐसे चलना है, and make sure that you cross the path. I am not one of the kind of coach or trainer कि webinar खत्म, टाटा bye bye. No. This 5 days because to make sure that you do it. Make sure it brings positive change in your life. It makes sure that you strengthen bond. Make sure that you build a win-win relationship between you and your child. And I hope you all will agree to it. So my boot camp is starting this Monday. The new batch starting this Monday on 19th. How many of you all would like to register? The cost is $199 for 5 days. $199 for 5 days. How many of you would like to register for this 5-day WhatsApp boot camp? बूट कैंप है, बूट कैंप में मार्चिंग होती है, वैसे ही करवाऊंगी मैं आप लोगों से. I will make sure that you perform the task. ज्यादा नहीं, आधा घंटा वीडियो देखना है आपको और परफॉर्म करना है. And day 2, day 4 पे क्वेश्चन आंसर अटेंड करना है, लाइव सेशन. 5th date is live. ड्यूरेशन वही तो संध्या में बोल रही हूँ ना. ड्यूरेशन इज यू कैन अनम्यूट एंड आस्क. अनम्यूट करके पूछ लो आप मुझसे जो क्वेश्चन पूछने हैं. ड्यूरेशन इज the video duration is maximum 30 minutes except first day. Maximum 30 minutes और 15 to 30 minutes video duration है. वो आप अपने कन्वीनियंस के हिसाब से पूरे दिन कभी भी देख सकते हैं. और उसमें जो आपको बताया है वो टास्क कंप्लीट करके यू शुड रिपोर्ट इन द ग्रुप विद इन 24 hours. Right? So there is no such duration. Duration is only I need your 1 hour on 5th day. Live webinar, live session. 5th day is live session where I will be giving you the zero conflict formula and giving you the whole background, the whole statistics, and I will be revealing everything on 5th day about my 21 days, the higher level program. हाँ Satya.
If it is how you told, no, that is convenient for me.
So that is because lockdown.
Anytime in the day, that will be fine.
I can understand the gadgets are occupied. कुछ mobile phone पे kids are engaged. Some
No, I didn't. No, I won't give my mobile to any child.
So that is so you are okay to join the boot camp, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll just give the link.
Okay.
Okay, you can pay. Give me one moment. Who all are others? Do you have any question you can ask? Nobody has any question? Smitha, Rajni, Kanchan, Dipka, B, Simi. Unmute. You can ask Simi. I can't hear you, Simi. You are on unmute, but I can't hear you. You can join with another device. Does anyone have any question? And I can guarantee you that the amount what I am charging 199. Okay. So you are going to get minimum 10x value of your amount. This is my guarantee. और आपको ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं मिल रही है value, your money back guarantee. इससे ज्यादा क्या दूं मैं आपको? Money back guarantee. How old should be the child? Is it for children below 10 years, 20 years? Okay. So this is semi. This can be learnt at any age. These are the main. Every age parents are facing this. Every age parents are facing this. Even if I just had in my last batch, Preeti who's 16 years old. Fees is Kanchan 199 rupees for 5 days. It is 199 rupees for 5 days. I'm just giving you a link. 199 for 5 days, where it will be a mix of video. 4 days you will get videos and question answer round will be live, and 5th day is live session. So 1 minute, I'm just giving you a link. So any other question, you all can unmute yourself and ask. Please go ahead and ask any, if you have any question, please. I'm just posting link, 1 minute. Here is in the link in the chat box. This link, you use it. And if somebody is not comfortable with the link, paying with link, I can give you my GPay number. GPay is, I will give you Paytm number also. Wait. I'm just giving you Paytm number also. We have Bhavna here. Bhavna was here, who's my WhatsApp and as well as higher level program student, who's really facing, her daughter is 6 years old, and her daughter and husband used to have great fight. Now they have, it has reduced. One of my student, Mitali, wait, I will show you Mitali's video, wait. You all want to see my testimonials? I will just show you. So who's gonna pay in next half an hour's time? Any other questions, parents? This is the Paytm number. So Sandhya, you have any questions? Simi, Smita, Nag? Okay. Kanchan, it will start on coming Monday. Okay, Simi, you connect with me personally. Bye. Bye. Take care. It will, Kanchan, it will start on 19th, coming Monday. Coming Monday, the boot camp is going to start. And I'm posting the link in the group also. Okay, thank you, Simi. Thank you for being a part. Okay, Sandhya will do Paytm and share detail. Yeah, you share the details on my WhatsApp, group mein. I feel Sandhya, you are the part of group Raise Warrior Kids, so please pay in the give the screenshot in the group. Okay. Okay, it's for parents only, right? Yeah, it's for this workshop is for parents, not for kids. For kids, another workshop, confidence building, leadership. That still has time. This is for parents. Timing, Kanchan, I said that timing, there is no specific time. I will be giving you all videos for day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. You can watch the video as per convenience and report in the group the given task in 24 hours. This much liberty is to you. Right? Okay. You want to go out, Simi? Simi, are you seeing a button on your screen, the red color telephone button? I just put that. You will exit. Just click that. Yeah. Yeah. So timing, Kanchan, I hope clear, right? Samita, you have any question? Kanchan and Sandhya are in. Welcome, Kanchan and Sandhya. I will just post that in the group also. And Samita, you have any question? Yeah, ma'am, you said you will show me video. Acha, you are waiting for the video. Wait, I will show you. Wait. Give me 1 minute. I will just play the video. Wait. I am just sharing my screen and playing the video. Wait. Yeah. What Mitali has to say she's a... Is my screen visible? Sorry, not this. Wait. I'm just giving you. Wait. This is not the video. Yeah. This video can't be played. Why? Wait. I'm showing you the video. Wait. 1 minute. Yeah.
Hi, everybody. It's each parent's dream that we bring. Hi, everybody. It's each parent's dream that we bring a smile each and every day to our children's faces. I also was one of the parent who wanted to see a smile in my children's face every day. And
I hope
something
you
was
all are
going
able
wrong.
to. So although it is video,
I met
this
Poonam in
is
this.
yeah.
Each parent's dream that we bring a smile each and every day to our children's faces. I also was one of the parent who wanted to see a smile in my children's face every day, and something was going wrong. I met Poonam in this lockdown. She guided me, she mentored me. Her videos, her stories, her sharings got me into a lot of introspection, and slowly I understood where I'm going wrong, what exactly I need to do to rectify my mistakes which I have done in the past. So thank you so much, Poonam. I would say my anxiety level was 80% when I had met Poonam, and believe me, it has gone down by at least 50% now. With all the tips and the homework that we got, consciously trying to implement it, I think it's a journey, it's everyday working, and just want to say a big thank you to Poonam for everything that you did in this 5 days boot camp. Thank you.
So likewise, there are others also. I can go on showing you all, but I think one is more than sufficient, and the time also should permit that much. And plus, I post also. I can even post in the group the testimonials. I think one is enough. And she herself is a classical dancer of a very, high degree. And yes, Samhita, can I pay on GPay later? When do you want to pay, Kanchan? By tonight? Just, yeah, you can pay, and tomorrow morning it's fine, because this rate I have given, I just released it, and I am giving it to the first 20 people who are registering. Otherwise, this is just complimentary rate for this people in this group especially, and the first 20 people. So I would just recommend that go ahead and pay it quickly. People have already registered for my bootcamp, and they are already in the group. All right, okay, so pay tomorrow morning and send the screenshot in the group, Kanchan. What about Samita and Sandhya? See, 199 is not even you will get a pizza. Not even a movie ticket what we spend and we come out, कि हमने क्या 3 घंटे भी वेस्ट किए और कुछ था भी नहीं मूवी में. और पिज्जा मंगाया, इतना महंगा मंगा तो लिया, बाद में रिग्रेट की खाया क्या, जबान का टेस्ट हेल्थ में तो गया नहीं, मैदा मैदा पेट में गया. So this is the lockdown offer. What I am giving is, I really genuinely want to help parents, and I want to touch 100 lives every week, so that I touch 1,000 lives in this year, so that I touch 1,500 kids, thus by making 1,000 families happy. This is my mission behind this. This is my mission to make you all win in your daily lives. And your mission should be to win, along with my guidance, along with me. You need to hire a mentor. आपको क्या लगता है, इतने सानिया मिर्जा, सचिन तेंदुलकर, धोनी, विश्वनाथन आनंद, they can win in life without their mentors? No. Okay. So I'm just posting the link in the group also, and GPay and Paytm number. and I'm so excited to have you on board in my WhatsApp bootcamp. So see you all there. Once you register, I will add you to the new exclusive group. Okay, once I receive the payment. See you. It was so nice seeing you all, being here with you all. Thank you. Any other questions anyone has? Any other questions so that I can leave? Anything you want to ask? You can ask your queries. Okay. Thank you. See you all in the boot camp. All right. Take care. Just take this decision. This is your right investment for your kids. You can also invite your family, your friends, send the group link. You can send the same link of payment to them to pay and send the screenshot. Okay. You can help them also by inviting them, by making them join boot camp. And one request, I please want you all to go and post in the group Raise Warrior Kids right now about this session, how you liked it. Will you do that for me? For all the people, around 200 people present in the group, so that they can also be helped. Yeah, so I will wait for your view. How did you like this 1 hour session, and your views in the group? And I'm going and posting the link, GPay, Paytm number in the group. You all can pay, and just I will add you to my group. Thank you so much. Take care. See you all. Bye-bye. Bye. You all can open your video so that I can see your faces. Yeah, you are going to meet my boot camp. एक बार शक्लें तो दिखा दो, so that I know it's in my mind. Smita, can you put on your video? I can see you. We all are beautifully, naturally beautiful. कोई जरूरत नहीं, मैंने भी कुछ नहीं लगाया है. It's okay. Thank you. Nice, nice. No matter what, we all are beautiful. We all are beautiful. Hi, so I'll see you in my boot camp. Sandhya, can I see you? Kanchan? Nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. Nice, nice seeing you. Sandhya, can I see you? Samita showed, Kanchan showed. Sandhya, can we meet face to face? Sandhya is on the call or not? Deepika, I don't think so. She's on call. I'm in Sandhya, so can we meet face to face once? And say bye-bye. Okay, okay. All right. Take care. Bye-bye. See you all then. Take care. Bye-bye.